All right, back with another video on how to remove your sliding pin from your brake caliper. It is something that is often neglected. Brake sliding pin. It can cause your vehicle to, your steering to serve to the right or the left because it seizes up, or the brake rotor can bind up, and you see this a lot of smoke. This is one of the reasons that can happen here, a freeze of these pins, and so often you need to maintain it. This is a US Pro half-inch US Pro tool to pull, and it's a 7mm, and I'm going to break it free, lefty loosey, and there you go. It's broken free, and we are going to take this out and maintain, re-grease, and so forth. So I'm going to get my tool to get it out a little bit fast. All right, so here we have them. These are the guide pins for the caliper. There they are. And these are the dust covers. This is my nephew saying yes everything I say. So we'll be greasing them, put them back in. Yes. Doing a little bit of pull this for me. He's my little help here. So these are the dust covers. Clean up a little bit. I'm going to be attaching back these to hold this for me. No, not like this. Don't touch it, leave it. Turn it on. This. So we're going to re-enter this into the on day 9 of the ongoing World Trial Circuit Court. PNP Elder Katie Knight says it's tragic that Party General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell is struggling to find a seat ahead of the next general election.
Any day that individual has to struggle for a seat, then it sends a terrible message to the party, to the public. This after comrades in eastern Westmoreland tell Dr. Campbell they don't want him as their candidate. My name is George Davis.
And I'm Robiana Williams.
You can find the news on our website at nationwideradiojm.com and on the Nationwide app available on Google Play and the App Store. News next headlines at 6.
Not a lot. To put this one up there. You can stand it. So put this one in here. And then tighten it down. Oh, it's kind of difficult to go in. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Sports here on Nationwide 90 FM. I'm Wayne Walker. In less than an hour's time, in fact, in about 35 minutes from now, Jamaica's national senior men's football team will face Grenada in a crucial CONCACAF Nations League encounter at the Kirani James Stadium, starting at 6 o'clock Jamaica time. The Jamaicans are leading Group B with 4 points from a win over Honduras and a draw with Haiti. The Grenadans are at the foot of the standings with 1 point gained in a 1-1 draw with Suriname, but they crashed 4-0 against Honduras. The starting lineup for Jamaica for this evening's game: Jamali Waiter, Tavon Gray, Michael Hector, Deshaun Bernard, Greg Lay, Joel Latimer, Kevin Lambert, Mario Williams, Demara Gray, Shamar Nicholson, and Bobby Reed. Bobby Reed is captaining the team in Andre Blake's absence. Michael Hector is playing for the national team for the first time since 2021, and this is the first meeting between Jamaica and Grenada since 2018. The Jamaica Football Federation is hoping to name the new national senior women's team head coach by the end of the week. After interviewing 3 prospective candidates, the 3 coaches, all foreigners, were interviewed on Tuesday. The Federation says it's now awaiting the recommendations of the technical committee before a final decision is made on who will replace Lauren Donaldson. Donaldson took Jamaica historically to the round of 16 at the World Cup in Australia this year, but the JFA did not renew his contract, which ended last month. The search is for a head coach only, as the entire backroom staff under Donaldson has been retained, including Xavier Gilbert, Akasani, and Laura Thomas. Jamaica will next be in action at the end of the month in qualifiers against Panama and Guatemala for the first ever women's CONCACAF World Cup next year. Champions Clarendon College made its 8th win so as many starts in the Issa Water acoustic football competition today, thanks to an easy 4-0 win over Thompson Town. Old Harbour were also impressive today. They beat Forest by 5 goals to 0. In latest scores, Manchester High School were holding a 1-0 lead over the Cartridge College. It's difficult to tighten this and hold it, but my trusted help is not holding it properly on that, so please don't show me in the video. You keep on showing me. Show the thing. Alright, so there you go. Tighten. Simple as that. Simple maintenance. Don't over tight. I think that will do. And just to put on, remember to put on your dust caps back in there, and one up top here, and you're okay, you're good to go. So the same thing done on this side can be done on the next side, which I'm going to be looking at right now. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we are here on this side, the sliding pin. Of the brake is always neglected. I thought